On today's solo cooking adventure, I make the world famous Utah pickle pie. First off, you're gonna whisk together 1.5 cups of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. By the way, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 176 degrees Celsius for my international friends. And it is extremely important while you're putting your ingredients into the mixer that you spill each and every one of them. I'll explain later why that's so important. Add your 1 cup of half and half to the sugar and cornstarch mixture. And I hear you ask, why is it so important that you need to spill every single ingredient? Well, it's to add that fucking umami. Now add 5 eggs to the mixture. And you know what? I didn't spill any of the eggs, so pat on the back for old Jordy. While we are letting that combine, last video on Utah Eats, I wanted to talk about my experience living in Utah and the culture there. So, I thought I was in literal hell, and I should have moved out of there a long time ago. Add your 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And add some of that cinnamon goodness. One and 1/2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Now let that shit mix, bitch! Now you need to process your pickles in a food processor or get a very sharp knife and chop them very, very finely. You're gonna need about 1 cup of pickles and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to that. Mix, bitch! And now you're gonna add your nice, delicious, juicy slop to the stand mixer. Appetizing, isn't it? I mean, look at that, delicious. Pour your nightmarish creation into the pie shell. And it should be exactly a 9-inch pie shell. And slip that shit in your preheated oven for 60 to 70 minutes. And here is the final product, and doesn't it just look so fucking appetizing? And I hear you ask, did you like it? Was it actually good? Well, pie was not objectively terrible, but I didn't like it. I could see somebody liking the pie, but that chick ain't me.